So this was supposed to be the intro of my new channel, but I can't find my microphone. So this audio right now probably sucks. Found it. Now what possessed me to put it in the bag with one of my tripods? I don't know. But there we go. Little Rode mic. Bam. Alright. Does wonders for the audio. See if you can tell the difference with it on there now. Alright, let's put this up. Put that in a better spot. Maybe in the light box. Let's try this again. What's happening, everybody? I'm Zephyr Stellar, and today I start YouTube. And for today, y'all are gonna come with me and my girl for a 24-hour trip to Chicago for a concert. All right, so we've got everything packed. Time for our 24-hour trip to Chicago. Headed to a concert for what? Hanson. I believe this has been 20 years? Almost killed myself. No, 20 years since they've done a Christmas album? Yeah, 20 years since they've done a Christmas album. Closest they were coming to Chicago. So to Chicago we shall go. So close. We just missed the train. About 15 minutes before the next one. had to make a stop for some coffee. A necessity for life. About ran into the class. Open. All right, made it to Chicago. Time to find the, oh, it is colder here. It's a colder 50 degrees.
It is.
All right, rental cars. Huh? Rental. All right, got a Troppa. All right, we have to hop a bus, head to Avis, get the car, check into the house, go see the boys. All right, got the rental car, on the way. Good times.
Finally,
Found the car, got checked into the house.
You ever got the keys for that?
Somehow found the damn parking. Navigation
Almost
sucks
ran
in
over
the
a couple
city.
of pedestrians.
Definitely almost ran over some pedestrians. But
They kind of lost.
they did. They're sort of dumb. This way. But now we're off to the venue. See her boys. Have a good time. This way.
Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their song implore. All fields and floods, rock hills and plains. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Go tell it on the mountain. Over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born.
Morning, YouTube. Where are you at? Where are you at? Say good morning. Good morning. Just spending the morning in Chicago, walking around. Go down to the Navy Pier. Get some breakfast soon. Had some amazing deep dish at, where were we at?
Lose something.
Lou Magnili? Some, I don't know. Can't remember the name of it. We'll look it up and get back to you. But it was awesome. So, yeah, Chicago's pretty freaking awesome. Hadn't been here since I graduated Navy boot camp, and I don't really remember it. We'll be back here for sure. Chicago. It was fun. Had a great time at your concert. Had your pizza. We've had your wieners. It was delicious. We'll be back for more. We're gonna get another trip just for Chicago. Come have some fun here. So, See you in Atlanta. A-Town down. Oh, yeah, can you slow?